Hello, me. This is Mr. Garcia from El Monte Rosemead Adult School. Since the beginning of class, you've been having trouble logging in to Moodle, and I have given you the same instructions over and over. I just want you to have it on video so that you can maybe have somebody help you at home. Uh, One of the things you need to do is put in your email address. The next thing we need to do is put in the password I've given you. And in order for you to use this particular part of the Moodle login, you have to use your student ID. So the password will start with ID, number sign, and then your student ID. And then from there, you should be able to click in. And as you can see here, it automatically allows me to go in using those credentials or using that username and password. And then you're able to log on. One of the things about my class that I've noticed, I know that you went into Miss Reese's class already, so that's good, but you should have been able to log into my program as well. And you know that we spent some time already trying to log you into here. Okay, well, this is just a reminder, and thank you so much.